Look alive, Rachel. Come on.
It's been a while.
I'm back in action. I know you guys missed me. I missed you too. So today we're brewing a Berliner Weisse. The Berliner Weisse has a grain bill of 25 to 50% wheat. It has a low ABV between 2.8 and 3.8. It has very low IBUs between 3 and 8. It has a very tart, mildly sour flavor, and it's super carbonated.
Okay. We actually put the water in here last night. So this is just waiting for us when we got in here. Yes.
And we're mashing super low compared to like your standard beer. But we're following Michael Dawson's recipe out of the Mash Maker book, and he basically says mash at 133 to 134 for 60 minutes. And then after 60 minutes, we're gonna raise it to 152 for 15 minutes. And then we'll do a mash out at 170.
Is that low mash temp specific to sour beer, or just?
I don't know if it's to get better fermentability.
Well, I'm sure someone will let us know.
Someone will let us know
in the comments.
Tell us.
Yeah, I mean, I've never.
What are we doing?
What are we doing?
And
You
why are we
tell
doing
us.
this?
Yeah, I don't. He did not explain it in the book.
Oh, well, it's his fault.
Yeah, so I'm not sure.
Whatever.
He might have. I don't know.
Oh,
Not what you
reading
call-
comprehension.
I'm not what you call literate. Real small grain bill.
Tiny little mash.
Yeah.
Baby mash.
Little baby mash.
Baby mash. Where's our stirrer?
Mash paddles, where it always is. Behind the
Should be in the search
microwave.
Ah,
Keep it behind the
that's where it
microwave. We put it there accidentally once. That's just where it's gone.
Behind the sink. Boil off all the germs.
And that's just 3 pounds of German wheat and 3 pounds of
Ooh,
German
it smells
Pilsner.
delicious.
Alright, so the other weird stuff we're doing right here is
The hops going in with the mash.
Crazy. Crazy.
Crazy talk. And then we're doing kind of a mixed fermentation, White Labs WLP 630, the Berliner Weisse strain. It has lactobacillus in it, which is not hop tolerant. So basically, you can't have a lot of IBUs or hop presence, or else it'll
kill the bacteria.
Absolutely, yeah.
Because hops are antimicrobial, so they kill bacteria, so we don't want to use a whole lot of them.
let's get them hoses hooked up.
Am I?
You are in charge of the hoses.
Literally never done this before. It's about time I learned how to do the hoses after a year and graduating my apprenticeship.
I would do the shorter one.
Okay.
From here, slide it over. Out of the pump.
That'll do.
Open it, yeah.
Yes. Now turn on pump.
Yep, that's it.
Here.
Yep.
On.
Fancy new pump button. You see our new controller?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah,
Look
it's
at that. Hammer Supply.
We should hire
our
you
new
to write
jingle?
a jingle for us. That
It's our
was,
new jingle for sure.
how'd that go again?
Hammer Supply.
That'll just be our new opening for every video.
Yeah. I feel like baby's graduated from brewing school. I just like hooked up my own hoses,
Yeah.
turned on my own pump,
Yeah.
ground my own grains.
Dang. You're getting smart.
I'm getting real smart. It only took a year to know.
I
how
knew
to
there
turn
was
on the pump.
potential. When we met you a good year and a half ago, I was like, I think a good year and a half, we could teach her how to hook up
We
some
can
hoses.
teach her. It'll take a year and a half, but she'll get there.
She's way smarter than I am. She can
feel
obviously
like-
figure this out.
I need some sort of certificate or
in
like.
fairness, it's taken them at 5 or 6 years. So.
Okay,
been
that
like
makes me feel a lot
Since
better.
2002.
We mashed for 60 minutes at 133.
Yep. 133. Yep.
All right. And now we're going to mash more at a different temperature.
So we're gonna get this up to 152. Let it hang out for 15 minutes. After that, we're gonna raise it to 170 for our mash out.
This is what you call a step mash
It is.
for folks who are not familiar.
Temp 1, temp 2, temp 3.
Yeah.
Steps.
Yes.
That was a
steps.
diagram of steps.
Yep, a human
Wow.
diagram. So 20 minutes.
Well,
So-
it's gonna be 15 once we get up to temp.
Okay, 15 once we get up to 10. The other day I did a video on the controller and forgot to mention one critical new feature, which is that we have an alarm built into this thing, and we are going to use that for the step mash.
Yeah, it'll be kind of useful. I'm gonna go check some emails while this is getting up to our next mash temp. So once this says 152, I'll be alerted at my desk. I'll stop typing
Yep.
and we'll come out here.
All right. Sweet.
You like that?
Okay, the
this
timer, the alarm one's going off.
Yep, that's because we set it. So that's gonna chill at 152 for 15 minutes.
Yep.
We're gonna boil for 15 minutes on this.
It's boil is optional.
It is optional, so we're gonna boil it, which
I
is
think it's
fine.
just preference. So my
Yeah.
preferences. I'd like to be a tart, mildly sour tart, but not really funky.
I'm down with boiling too. That way, when you're pitching your blend here of ale yeast and lactobacillus, that's all you're gonna get going in.
Not some funky funk.
Right. Not some bread or anything like that. So.
Let's see what she's looking like here. Oh,
Yeah, it's super
really?
pale.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Let's see.
It's like a chamomile tea kind of vibe going. Soothes the soul.
I probably should mention this. I don't know, a good
2
hour and a
ago.
half ago. But I mean, you have some stuff on your shirt.
Little paint, little dandruff, little cat hair.
It's just normal.
This is.
I don't even see it anymore.
Well, I'm not. I wanted to just let you be you.
Timer's up on the 152 mash, so now we're just gonna bump up to 170.
Wow, very nice.
Yeah, very nice. I had the alarm set for 170.
Oh, okay.
So as soon as it hits 170, pull out the grain basket,
Oh yeah. Okay.
and then we'll start our boil.
Really nice.
Oh,
I'm really proud.
Oh, so nice.
I'm really proud of you guys. You're doing a great job so
Rachel's
far.
doing all the work
Really
today.
good.
I like
no,
it.
I'm not. Ah.
So we're at 170
Yeah.
for the mash out. You can see the alarm is on. Time to kill the pump. And then we're gonna pull the basket.
Want those?
Yeah. Ooh, it's a little spicy meatball.
There, man. You guys are getting good at that.
Just gonna go ahead and bump this up to boil temp here. While we're waiting for our work to come up to a boil, we got the grains draining. I'm gonna disconnect the hoses and just get the liquid out. And you can put it back in the kettle, but I'm just gonna dump it in the bucket. This obviously won't be boiled, so you don't wanna leave this liquid in the hoses.
If you're following our recipe, dump this liquid.
Yeah, if you're following our recipe, which you should be on our website, just dump it.
Yeah, this has been draining for about 10 minutes now, so we're gonna remove the grain basket. It's pretty well drained, so we can bring this up to boil faster with the lid on. Place that in the bucket. Take these out.
Like a pro.
I don't even need you, Emmett. Don't even need you. Baby's got wings.
Well,
All right,
good,
put this
good.
back on. So we just finished our 15-minute boil, and now we're just gonna run the liquid through the pump and the chiller for about 5 minutes just to sterilize all that equipment before we cool it down. We're just gonna turn on the pump, recirculate for about 5 minutes.
We're done sanitizing. We're done circulating. We're ready to start chilling.
Yeah,
Rachel said she's ready to Netflix and chill.
ready to.
Is that how that
Don't
turns
text me
used?
about. Don't message me about that. I'm ready to Netflix and sleep, and watch pizza,
Watch pizza.
eat pizza.
We've had some people ask about you in the comments of the videos.
Like
and
what? What do they ask?
I don't
what do
know.
people ask?
I was like, I don't know, just ask her yourself. So I just gave him your contact
No,
info.
okay. You say this all the time, and I know that's not true.
Did you turn the water on?
I did. And then we're just chilling this down to 70, so keep an eye on. We don't want to overshoot this one.
Oh, we
got a
should probably
minute.
turn the heat off.
Oh, probably help, huh?
Yeah.
Oh,
It would help if we weren't heating it at the same time as we were chilling it.
amateur hour.
Totally.
Yep. A little bit more.
Fascinating. Watching the Emmett in the wild.
A brewer in the wild.
A rare Emmett in his natural habitat. Let's watch together. A rare sighting to see the Emmett underwear. You see the unique coloration of the underwear. It's a light blue. That means he's a male. The females have a dark black underbelly. But you can see
The female beards are smaller.
the female beards are much smaller.
What are you guys talking about over there?
Hey,
Video.
just real quickly, what do you think of that bucket?
This bucket, let me tell you about this bucket. I want one of these buckets because guess what? You can wash your car, you can brew beer, you can put ice in it, jelly beans, ho-hos, sardines, lemongrass, garlic bulbs, cat food, pins, pencils, markers, erasers, paper clips, shoe ties, laces, peanut butter cups, candy, coffee, cappuccinos, iced macchiatos, clover leaves.
It's a bucket of whole things. Now, the problem is that it was sanitized until you like...
Damn it.
Did Emmett just give up on this brew day?
Emmett just went back to working, so I'm here.
You guys were talking about filling buckets with sardines. I don't know. I love that we're pimping the buckets out of everything on the table.
Like the
So don't buy the brew system.
Like the cheapest
Just
thing
buy
ever.
the bucket.
Just this one, but it's all you
I like that we have buckets. There's something to be said about a good bucket.
All right. Well, we should probably get this in the bucket.
Another thing you can put in the bucket.
All right, I'm gonna turn the pump off. You're just gonna want to put it into here.
There you go. Oh,
See that flow?
yeah.
See that bucket flow?
That's a nice flow there. Teamwork. Teamworking.
So the White Labs, Blender Weisse blend, WLP 630.
Did you dunk that? Dunk that.
Either or. She doesn't want to use my bucket. I see how it is.
It's not deep enough.
Oh, take it easy, guys.
Woo! Popping bottles. All of it?
Yeah. So this is lactobacillus.
Along with
Lactobacillus.
along with regular Saccharomyces.
Ooh, it smells-
Oh, that's the blend.
It's a blend.
All right. Well, let's pop the lid on that thing.
Oh, there we go. Graceful as F.
Nice.
Wait,
now,
so you're asking me to do this?
yeah, aerate it.
What am I gonna do?
But just like put it on its
Oh, okay.
like edge and then rock it for about 15-20 minutes.
Half hour.
Half hour.
Hilarious. There's no graceful way to do this. How long really do I have to do
You're
that?
done. You're done.
Yeah, you've been doing that for like
Cool,
twice as long
thanks.
as you needed to.
All right.
All right.
Done,
Oh,
so.
wow.
Put a cherry on top.
All right.
So we're done.
Not quite done.
Oh.
We're shooting for 1029.
Honestly, we're like right there.
So we're gonna let this ferment at 70, probably a couple weeks, and then we'll check the final gravity. Then we're gonna let it keg condition probably for like 6 weeks at room temperature. Or should we just leave it in the fermenter for the 6 weeks and let it sit on the lacto?
Audience question.
I don't know.
Audience poll.
Audience
What do you
poll.
think? So we're gonna put it in the fermenter
For now.
and then do something with it
Yeah.
at some point.
Cool. All right.
So
Good job, guys.
thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Subscribe.